Hello guys, welcome to the onlineittudes.com. My name is Asif Ali. In this video we will learn how we can download and install Crystal Report on Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2015, and if you have installed any previous version like 2012, 10 and 2013, you can use or install Crystal Reports as well. So first of all, we need to check the Crystal Reports are installed or not. How we can check it? Right, open Solution Explorer, right click it and go to add option, new. Here you can see it, no any Crystal Reports or icon or option display on here. After installing Crystal Reports, you can see the Crystal Reports option or icon display here. So let's start to download Crystal Report. Open your favorite browser and search SAP Crystal Reports download. After searching Crystal Reports download, go to third link. Right click it and open this link on new tab. Then you can see it, the Crystal Reports official page or website display on our screen. So scroll down and here is our many version display on our screen. So this is the latest version of Crystal Reports, supports pack 20 and 64 bits, 32 bits. So I want to download this version, so I just click this link and here the downloading is starting, right? But I don't need to download Crystal Reports on my PC because I have already downloaded Crystal Report on my computer. So I go to my program folder, here the Crystal Reports I have downloaded, right? Double click it and then wait couple of seconds to open the setup of Crystal Reports. Right, wait couple of seconds. Okay, waiting, installation is preparing. Next, accept, next. But first you need to close the Visual Studio, right? I close the Visual Studio because the Crystal Report is installation and integration of Visual Studio, so you need to close Visual Studio. Next, and wait couple of seconds or minutes. Here you can see it, the Crystal Reports has installed on my PC. I just click on my finish button. I don't check the yes, I installed runtime. Finish and open Visual Studio and then wait couple of seconds. Open any project. For example, I have made the project student registration form. I open this form or project and then wait couple of seconds. Then we will see the Crystal Reports are installed on our Visual Studio. So let's check it. Right click on project file, but this time I think this is very loaded. Right click it and go to add new. Here you can see it, the reporting and Crystal Reports are installed on Visual Studio projects, so you can use it on a personal project or Visual Studio as well. So I hope you are understood as well. If you have any question about this topic, kindly comment me on below section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next lecture.